Charlie in the snow. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Look at the size of this guy. He leaves a slithering form, a slithering track behind him. I love watching him walk. See that plow? We didn't put it on yet. Looks to be a problem. What do you think, Scutterbotch? You're so pretty. You're not stupid, are you? I was bringing some hay out to the chicken coops. Butterscotch. What is it? Oh, what is it? What is it? This little kitty is a joy. I know. I gotta take it though, buddy. Come on, I gotta take it. Let's go. So guess what we didn't do in time. We didn't put the plow on the truck. Right, Dad?
That is correct. Too busy doing other stuff.
We're not embarrassed.
It needed to be done.
We're not embarrassed, are we?
That hasn't happened yet. Hasn't happened yet. It hasn't snowed yet.
Yay, plow. Yay, truck. Boo, plow on truck. So I'm going to try to figure out where we're going to be able to video from. That looks good. Okay. Where does it go? How do we get it on there?
So these, we're going to put it in the middle hole on these. And these are just spring clipped. You see
Where?
I'm pointing. You see the spring clips?
Oh, under there. How do we get that on there?
We're going to pivot this around, and then we'll move the truck up to as close as I can.
Hey, Dad. Snowman is finished.
Good, we're busy now, honey.
You told me to tell
But
Thank
we're
you.
busy now. Thank you.
When we're done, we will. Thank you for telling us.
We'll check it. Dad, go take a quick picture, please. He's dying for a picture to be taken of it, and it's going to get dark. In front of the truck, whatever we're doing. So we're going to pick it up and pivot it.
I'm going to pivot it, and then you can pull the truck forward, and I'll try to align it to the right place.
Do it again, do it again. Keys, because I get to drive the truck. I'm going to show you where we're going to put it onto the truck. So hang on a sec. See those two brackets? One there and one there. See? They need to go under there.
You have to put those brackets
Uh-huh.
right in here, and then that clips holds it shut.
It'll go on its own?
When you release the pin, yes.
Oh, okay. Alright, cool. Alright. Turn it off. Back up a little bit.
Yeah, come forward like 6 inches.
So this is where we're at. See those brackets? They need to go. Think we can tip it, Dad? If I pull back on this side?
Yeah.
Try. Oh, I need a glove.
Here,
Alright. In the meantime, look at the size of the snowman they're making. Good job, guys.
wow. Close. Let's go back a little bit. Push this in a little bit more.
Oh, that might be it.
No.
It did start working?
Yeah.
Good. Oh, I see that, yep.
Please don't say I'm just trying to make sure I'm only on the plow and not on the truck piece.
Yeah. I don't think it's straight because this left side is like it's torqued a little. The kid's back there. Is it moving it?
Oh yeah, it's like 2 inches off the bricks.
So why isn't it snapping in?
I don't know. Can I see the phone for a second?
Yep. Hi, buddy.
Hi.
Are you having fun?
Yes, this is really cold.
Guess what we're gonna have?
What?
Hot chocolate. Some cookies if you want. If not, you can have mommy bread.
Yummy.
Okay?
Huh?
I know you're chilly. It won't be long. Daddy and Mommy are trying to get the plow on. Okay? Daddy's going to muscle it and make it work. Oh, it fell down, Dad.
I'm done. I'm calling Adam tomorrow.
That wasn't fun. But it's real. And we will be calling Adam tomorrow. Adam is our vice president of the snowmobile club / mechanic down the road. So not everything's always peaches and cream, but you know what's really good is my homemade soup and some yummy bread. So we'll be eating that and trying to get our energy back.
Yes.
What are you doing?
Finishing the Nanny jam.
What?
Finishing the Nanny jam.
What does Nanny have to do?
Make more jam.
What do we need?
More jam.
What do we need? Whoa.
Nanny
She
jam.
almost fell. He freaked me right out. All right, Mom, this is our official plea. Please, can we have more
Nanny jam.
Nanny jam? What is it?
Nanny jam.
Nanny jam. Do, 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 do.
And look at that soup there.
Oh, yeah, good soup. Mommy made good soup.
Uh-huh.
No, that's the other Nanny jam.
That's the other Nanny jam. Run low on this one.
So which one was your favorite?
Both.
Both.
I like both toast too.
So it's a nanny jam on mommy bread.
That's right.
And Daddy's happy.
I will be once I can shove it in my face.
Did you almost fall out of your chair again?
No.
You might want to sit right.
I like that. No, but
I like you. Fun playing in the snow?
yeah.
What'd you do?
Make snowman.
Yeah, we made snowmen. Here's some
Made
pictures.
Snow angel.
You made snow angels. I missed that because I was too busy with the chickens.
Yeah.
Was it a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then when you came in, were you cold?
Mhm.
Yeah, and did you get cozy under covers?
Yeah, I like the caterpillar. It's comfier than the couch.
Dad, show them what the caterpillar is. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it's 6 or 7 pillows sewn together
Yeah.
on top of a hutch that we put behind the couch so that we have a double-decker couch.
Yes.
Does it work well? And is it your cozy spot?
Mhm.
Cool. So after all of this and being soaking wet, oh yeah, I'm showing off my mermaid hair.
Yeah. I love you, mommy.
I love you too. Ah, yeah, nighty on. Keep it down. We came up on the porch, and there was a what?
Package.
A package. Should we open it?
Yeah.
Hey V, you want to see us open the package?
No.
It's kind of fun.
It should say who it was from right there.
Do you like the mystery?
Yeah.
It's fun, huh?
But
Thank
then,
you,
But then you won't.
whomever.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mommy, it's stuck on your arm.
Ray, did you buy this for me?
I don't even know what it is.
Can I hold it?
It's a salt lamp.
I did not get you a salt lick lamp.
Ray, stop laughing at yourself. You're the only one who's laughing.
I'm laughing at you.
Do you know what a salt lick is?
I know.
What is a salt lick?
It's kind of like a lamp, and it glows.
What's a salt lick?
I don't know.
A salt lick is a big hunk of salt they put out in the fields for cows in the summer, and they like to lick it. Can you do me a favor? Don't lick my lamp.
Ew.
Do you want to hear what it says?
Uh-huh.
Dear Ray, Vicky, Vincent, and Olivia, we are sending good vibes to you for Christmas. We love you and miss you. Lots and lots of love, Nanny and Carlo. What's this?
XOXO.
What does that mean?
Hugs and kisses, hugs and kisses.
Blow hugs and kisses to Nanny and Carlo. Watch what Nanny and Carlo got us, V. It's a giant piece of pink salt that has a light inside.
Wow.
Isn't that
Burn the
cool?
cow's tongue?
What?
Will it burn the cow's tongue?
No, this one's... Did you catch that on video, her saying that? It's not a salt lick, like Daddy said.
I was making a joke, Olivia.
It's a salt lamp. This will not burn a cow's tongue because no cow is licking my lamp. Thanks, Ray.
You're welcome.
It's really cool. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Let's
I
watch
like
it go
my
dim, right?
funny thing.
Ooh, it's so pretty.
I know.
Dad, where am I going to put it? I love it so much. Here it is. Look, there's my cool book boxes and my mom aloe and my incense burner and my cool pink salt lamp now. And a picture of me when I was 5. I like this little spot over here. Thank you, Nanny and Carlo. We love our lamp. It's so pretty. It makes me happy. Thanks. nice end to a long, long